Now you gotta move. Bye. Bye-bye.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I have Tara with me, and she's gonna let me do her makeup.
I'm so excited.
I know, me too. Funny, we haven't even actually talked that much before this video. I just kind of hit her up and was like, hey, can I do your makeup?
That's like the first thing I told you when I met you. I'm like, can you please do my makeup?
I know. I was like, yes, of course. Okay, so I've already color matched her and got like her eyelashes ready, so we're just gonna go straight into it. And I'm gonna prep you with my one and trusty Fenty Beauty. Just black one.
This is so nice.
It kind of reminds me of sunscreen, but it's like
I
nicer.
love the small sunscreen.
Me too. Did you know you can use sunscreen as like a natural glow, like for your body, like on your like your what's this called?
Collarbone?
Yeah, collarbone. Your collarbones and shoulders, like when you're wearing tank tops or like a natural or a strapless shirt.
That's so smart.
I saw it on actually Toddy's video.
Really? I don't watch beauty gurus. I watch some of your videos, and like I watch some Jeffree Star videos, and like, cause like I can't watch them.
I know. I understand that. And being like a beauty influencer, like you think, oh, Devyn, you probably watch a lot of them, but I
You
like
don't?
no.
Really?
I don't think I've ever watched one full through.
Really?
Really?
The only beauty guru I like to watch. Do you remember who Juicy Star 07 was?
No, I don't know who that is at all.
What?
I don't watch a lot of YouTube,
Dude,
surprisingly.
this was like 2009.
no,
She was like the love of my life.
Star. Reminds me of Jeffree Star.
I don't know. I don't know. She was like from Philly or something.
And I have blush. This is me. Like when the more you get to know me and doing makeup, I have one thing and I put it down and then it's gone. Yeah.
I don't know why my eyes were closed.
Because you're relaxed. That's why you just literally take it in.
This is so nice. I also love facials.
I've never been to a spa and gotten a facial before.
Seriously?
Seriously, I want to so bad.
They're so nice.
I know,
I fall asleep though. It sucks. Like I pay for also massages. I fall asleep.
I've gotten one massage and it was when I went to a chiropractor. So
it was like medical stuff?
Yeah, but it still felt amazing.
I always fall asleep and it's like, why did I pay for this if I'm just gonna go to bed?
But then you realize like that's what you needed though, right?
Yeah. I don't sleep ever, so. But like the thing is, do you wake up late?
Sometimes I'm I'm a natural early bird, so even if I'm up to like 3, I'll be up at 9 or 10 sometimes.
I almost got in a fight with someone once because they're like, I know you were eyeshadow, like at school, in high school.
Wait,
like,
somebody tried to fight you because they thought
I
you
was-
wore eyeshadow?
they're like, what makeup do you wear? And I told them I only wear like, at the time I only wore mascara too, like no eyeliner even. I'm like, I just wear mascara on my eyes. And they're like, no, you definitely have some like brown eyeshadow on. I'm like, no, I don't. That's just the way my eyes are. And they're like, no, like I know you do. And I'm like, I almost got in a fight with them. I'm like, no.
Jealous of that natural beauty.
Shut up.
Honestly.
No, literally, it's just my dark eyes. It's like, it's because I don't sleep. And then, oh my god, I remember I got like a wet paper towel and like proved it to her.
And she still
didn't believe me.
Wow.
She's like, well, it doesn't look as dark as it usually does today. I'm like, maybe because I slept.
Is in denial. Jealousy is an ugly trait.
True.
Let's move on to concealer.
I'm like trying to scare myself.
No, you're like a blank sheet of paper right now.
I don't even want to look. I'm scared.
No, don't be scared. We're doing a full face, so yeah, it's gonna be different for you. Oh yeah, and before this video, I ran out of the setting powder I've been using, and I'm obviously doing Tara's makeup, and I saw right before she got here that I had a empty container of setting powder, so I had to run to the store. I had to Uber because Corey left me his car to drive while he's in Florida, but it's really big and scary, and I'd have to parallel park, and I'm just trying to be quick, so I go and I get in the Uber, and I've been carrying around fanny packs and stuff because I always lose stuff, and purses, I'll just lose a purse, and a fanny pack you can just
lose a purse?
Yeah, I'll just leave it somewhere. So fanny pack, you can keep around you. There's like nothing in it besides like a scrunchie and a lip gloss maybe, or a chapstick. I get in the Uber, I put the keys next to me, I get out, I go to Sally's, buy the stuff, get in another Uber, come home, don't have my keys because I didn't put them in the bag that I brought them back
Did
for.
you have to call?
Yeah, I had to literally, I was locked out of the house for like an hour and I had to call the guy. Can I leave my keys in your car? He's like, yeah, I'm finishing this trip and then I'll bring them, so.
Oh, you're lucky he didn't go to like...
I know, I was worried
Car.
that I wasn't going to be able to get a hold of him or he would like do a bunch of trips in between, but thankfully he was cool.
You don't have a spare?
No, well, we do have a spare, but we gave it to some friends like forever ago because they were going to be here when we weren't. And I never got it back. So
you should get them back.
I know. I actually messaged them like 2 days ago. I was like, "Hey, do you have my spare key?" And they're like, "I don't remember having it." So we're in that process now.
One time I lost my car keys on Melrose. Alongside a Louis Vuitton little wallet that had my ID, my like school ID, like 3 credit cards, a debit card, and it got stolen. And my house key. And I was like so scared to call my parents. So like I just sat there until it got dark. And then I finally called them.
Until it got dark?
Yeah, because I was just trying to look for them.
Yeah.
And then I finally called them, and now I only have 1 key for my car, and I'm like worried because I tend to lose stuff. And then I have to like cancel all my credit cards and stuff.
I feel like everybody's been through like a traumatic moment where they lose something really important, and they're just in a constant state of panic and fear of losing it. That's me every day though. I don't know how many times when I have my car in Florida, I locked myself out of my car. Papa Lock was my best friend, so was AAA.
What's Papa Lock?
It's like a place that comes to unlock your car for you.
Oh.
Or your door or anything when you get locked out.
This is a different feeling under my eyes.
Oh yeah, no, it's drying it out.
Yeah.
So yeah, it'll feel like that.
I've never felt this before. I'm scared.
It's sucking the darkness out of your
scared.
eyes.
I feel like those like ladies in those old movies. I'm like, I have to go powder my face.
Right? That powder your nose, just literally.
With the pom poms, it's like I literally feel like that right now.
The clouds literally go everywhere. Like watch, like did you see all that?
Oh my god, it's like a vape trick.
I know, right? Start doing tornadoes. Or shake.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do your brows. I use powder for brows. I don't use like a pomade or a gel or anything. This powder is just easier.
The only thing I do is like if my eyebrows are super grown out, I'll like with like I don't even know how to say it.
Anastasia, whatever.
Sure, that. The pencil, I just like kind of like.
Oh yeah, that's a shape. That's a good one too.
That's all I do.
I used to only use pencils, but now I got into the habit of the brush. And you said you want to try to get the slit in there?
Yeah.
Okay. That'll be the first for me.
Really?
So
I'm
try.
excited.
Yeah. I've never put an eyebrow slit in a brow before.
Yeah, it's like kind of gone, so.
And then we'll put concealer there to make the little slit more predominant.
I've literally never seen my eyebrows this full before in my life.
Oh no, but we'll cut them. They look more full than they actually will be.
Bless you.
Thanks.
Forgot you were here.
You're so quiet. Do you want to like play a video game or something?
I'm trying to order.
He's like a child.
Okay.
Do you want the iPad, sweetheart? You know the terms eyebrows are sisters, not twins?
Yes.
Mine are definitely sisters. And one's like
Mine
10
are-
years older than the other.
Mine are like cousins.
Cousins?
Cousins. Yeah. I have to. My eyebrows take me the longest out of anything because like this one like goes higher.
Yeah, look,
than
this
that
one too, look.
Yeah, I kind of noticed it, but yours are
God,
still like the
bugs
shape.
me.
The shape is still the same. Mine like.
But see, no one else would notice it. It's just us.
Yeah, I know.
Is it hard to take off your makeup?
I use coconut oil.
Oh.
Yeah, just don't leave it on your face.
Yeah, I'm like, don't you feel like you're gonna break out if you put on coconut oil?
I use a towel and I wipe it off, and then like I just rub it all over my face, use a towel, wipe it off, and then wash my face with my face wash stuff, and yeah.
Yeah, because I feel like if you wear like makeup like this, you just like makeup wipes just won't do it.
Oh no, I don't like makeup wipes, and then every makeup wipe I've ever used like burns my eyes because I have like sensitive
What
skin.
about Neutrogena?
That's the one I
Really, the
go
oil
to.
one, the blue one?
Mm-hmm. I use the hydrating blue ones, and because I have dry skin, and they burn
What?
my eyes. Yeah,
I know what you mean because other makeup like wipes burn my eyes, but not that one.
Yeah, I don't know. I have sensitive skin, so I just have had to find other alternatives.
You know, one year when I got makeup done for homecoming last year, they put on this like priming stuff, and my skin got like a first-degree burn, like right before.
Oh my god!
I was so pissed.
What the?
Yeah,
I
was
did not seem
angry.
like you were allergic to.
Well, I wasn't allergic to anything. I don't know.
It sounds like you were allergic to.
I know. I was upset.
I know, but it's their job to ask you still and like do a patch test and all that kind of stuff. That sucks. I could not imagine going to get my makeup done.
I was like, this is burning. She's like, that's okay. And I'm like,
it's what? Makeup
I don't think
supposed to
makeup's
burn?
supposed to burn, but alright. You know what I was always afraid of? If I wear foundation and if I sweat a little, you'll see like drip marks.
Yeah, that's what you gotta be careful of. I have gone to the gym like after just a day of wearing full face makeup, and like I don't want to wash it off before I go to the gym, you know, because I'm just gonna take a shower when I come home, you know.
Oh my
So
god,
I'll
aren't
be
you
like-
afraid you're gonna break out?
No, because I shower when I get home, so it's like as long as you're like getting it off and like showering is not leaving it on for several hours, it's like it's okay.
I just always wondered, like, how do you have the patience?
I
I don't.
actually like becoming a makeup artist. Like I don't do my makeup nearly as much as I used to.
Really?
Yeah, because like it's so much, you know, like, and like I don't know how I did it every day in high school, but my steps were a lot more different. It wasn't as like elaborate, and like I was doing a full face every day, but after graduating school and like doing it so much in school and like doing it for fun, I'm like I don't want to do it. So that's why you don't really see me with the full glam that often and as much as I used to like in my old pics.
Do you know when you said I look like a blank page right now?
Yeah.
Do you know like in the olden days where they just used to put like white and then like a mole?
Yes.
That's what I feel like.
We can do that if you want.
Okay. I'm okay.
Just like we'll take the red and just do the heart on
yeah,
your lips. We'll
that's
cover
what I
your
feel
lips with
like. And then
foundation.
just like I was just like
what like the French
Revolution?
French Revolution challenge.
Do you think that's a thing?
I don't know.
You should
We
make
could
it a-
make
you should make it a
exactly.
thing.
When Kat was over, I did Kat's makeup and Sarah's makeup not so long ago, and my bright green was a sad day. Fell out and got smushed.
That's depressing.
Yeah.
My Becca highlighter got. Yeah. Do you think it's just not pressed in well? Yep, that's what mine looks like. Is that champagne pop?
Yeah.
Mhm. Same.
I wonder if it's just champagne pop that's like, because it's always
It's
this one.
always that one. I think I've gone through 4.
Everybody's like put the alcohol in it, but
You
I don't
think
want
so?
to. Or for me,
I
it
didn't.
does.
I'm too lazy. I'm just like.
Yeah, no, just rub it around.
Yeah.
Get the rocks on there.
And then there's like a clump. It's like.
Yes. You have a stripe because of one just
Yeah,
dragging
one
across your
clump.
face.
Have you ever done someone's makeup and you're like, I just can't do this because like their face is hard to do makeup on?
Actually, there have been a few people like that. And
Really?
one of them was Corey, but I forced him to do it anyway because his eyelids are just like small. Like
Shrunk.
he has like no eyelid space whatsoever. Huge eyebrows, big eyes, and like no eyelid space. But I still somehow managed to do a cut crease on him. I don't know how, but I did.
Wow.
The first shade is Silk Cream right here. The second shade I'm going to go in with is Mocha right here. So we have a little smoke going.
It's so cool to like not look like yourself for one day.
I know.
I just,
That's
like-
why I like makeup, because I
Yeah.
never look like myself.
No, like I'm not saying I look completely different, but it's like I don't ever do my makeup like
You
this.
feel like more glam. It's
Yeah.
like the perfect word. Like we should have fun doing it.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Are you scared of lashes?
Can you tell? I'm like
Yeah, you're like, all of a sudden got really kind of tense. Okay, let's do your contour. See how messy it gets, like, in
yeah,
the
but like
process?
whatever. It ends up looking really great. So who cares? I think this whole video, my posture has just been terrible.
It's okay, you're relaxed. You're just supposed to just let me do it. All your baby hair.
I know, I have so much baby hair. I look like a baby.
Literally
I know,
the baby.
like the swirl.
That's my ride.
Is it like a tractor?
They could kind of see it back there.
Do you ever think about the term apples of your cheeks?
Yeah, I do. I wonder how
So
apples
weird.
came about. Why not any other fruit?
Yeah, why not oranges of your
Oranges of your cheeks.
like pears? What's wrong with pears?
Pears. Well, pears are green, so if you have like a green face.
Strawberry.
Strawberry of your
I
cheek.
don't know.
Okay. Let's do that highlight.
I would suck to cry in this makeup.
Don't cry.
I won't. But it would suck.
It would. It would also look kind of cute. Not gonna lie.
Really?
You know, like when you're like, have you ever like looked at yourself?
Oh,
When
I
you
love
cry?
it.
You
But
actually
only when
look
I'm
kinda
not.
cute sometimes.
Yeah. Only when I'm not wearing makeup though. I feel like when I'm wearing makeup, it just looks like because I wear so much eyeliner and mascara. I think it's just like a. I look like I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. Do you know the Lady Gaga cover to Alejandro?
Yes.
That's me when I cry.
Iconic. Actually, I want to put glitter in your little slit.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna put glitter
In the slit.
in the slit here, and also under your brow bone too.
Okay.
I like that, like
Oh,
subtle.
that's pretty. I like how subtle that is.
Yeah, I know. I've got mine.
Yeah, I know. I
Mine
saw.
too.
I was like, oh, that's
Got a
I've
new
never
wave.
seen that.
I know. I'm trying to. I saw it from this Brazilian makeup artist, and I'm trying to get it going over
No,
here.
I like
'cause It's
it.
cute, right?
It's cool. Yeah. Don't forget the eyelashes.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Try.
Yeah, you can mess with it. Do whatever you need to.
Oh, it's whoa. That's new.
Do you like it?
Oh wait, I have lipstick on. I didn't even know this.
Yeah, no. you can fix up your lipstick.
Okay.
I can put the gloss on you, but if you want to.
Okay. This is really good. Is this Jeffrey? Yep.
Yeah. This one is Nathan.
Oh, is it not?
BF one, yeah.
That's his boyfriend's name.
We're gonna put this gloss over
This
it.
is so fun. I don't think I've ever done had my makeup done like this.
Yay, I'm glad. I hope you like it.
No, I love it.
Last but not least, we're gonna set you, and I'm gonna set you with the Dewy set from Anastasia.
Ooh.
And I'm just gonna... It's so good. It smells so
It
good.
smells so good.
I know. I spray this on my bare skin, like just when I go out with no makeup on it, because it makes you look shiny and sparkly.
Oh my god, am I done? Should I
Yeah,
take
you're
this
done. Yeah, you can take that off.
off? I love it.
Yay! I'm
Wait.
so glad
Oh
you
my
do.
god. I've literally never had makeup. Even like for prom and stuff. I feel like I
Really?
always like told them what to do.
No.
And I never let people do what they want. And like, I don't even feel like myself.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I love it. It looks so, I'm so obsessed with the glitter. in
Oh
your
yeah.
skin.
That's
Like,
awesome.
in there.
Oh my god. That's crazy. I don't even feel like myself. I'm like, hi, nice to meet you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Devyn.
Yeah, like most of my makeup videos, this was very chill, just more about doing the makeup. I'm gonna get a little better at talking, of course, but who knows whenever that will be. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and a comment on your favorite part and any suggestions for any other people's makeup you'd like to see me do, or videos for me and Tara, or vice versa, or whatever. Make sure to go subscribe to Tara's page and follow her on Instagram and Twitter as well. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you know when I post. And that is it for this video, guys.
Thank you, Devyn.
Yeah, no problem. Yay, I'm so glad. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.